Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making air fryer lobster tails. For this recipe, we are using 4 lobster tails and they are about 4 ounces each. To begin, cut the top of the shell, stopping at the tail. Then flip it upside down and with your fingers crack the rib cage of the tail, and this is going to help you open up the shell. Now open up the shell to expose the meat, and if you see a vein, go ahead and remove it. Lift up the meat from the shell, keeping it attached at the end. As you expose the meat, close the shell underneath and rest the meat on top. Now, in a small mixing bowl, add in 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 4 cloves of garlic minced, 1 teaspoon of fresh parsley. Let's give that a quick mix. Add in about 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Go ahead and incorporate the lemon juice into our garlic butter. Now brush the lobster tails with the garlic butter. Season with freshly ground black pepper to taste. And about 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Then place them into your air fryer basket. Air fry them at 400 degrees for about 5 minutes or until cooked through. And after air frying at 400 degrees for 5 minutes, the internal temperature should be between 140 to 145 degrees. You may garnish with fresh Italian parsley, and now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, air fryer lobster tails. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye!